Hello, I'm Richard Gerhardt. Welcome to Body of Energy. On this video I'm going to be demonstrating the Element tool with the Element card deck. This tool is available in 1/2-inch Baltic birch plywood and on game board stock. Thank you. So the basic framework of the Element tool is about the elements, which are represented by these symbols, the numbers and their meaning, and these action symbols which are on the outside edge of the tool. So this tool can be used with our Element card deck or with our Element tile set. So on this demonstration I'll be showing you the card deck. So each card represents a point on the tool. So here's the 3 of air, the 3 of air. Here's the symbol for the doorway of air, the symbol for the doorway of air. Here's the element of light, the circle here in the middle. Here is the connection point between air and water. That would be that point right there, the purple, and so on and so forth. So each card represents a point on the tool. So this tool has a basic 9-point layout, which has to do with the elements and their connection points between each other. So the first layer or level of you reading the tool has to do with the meaning of the cards and their position and where they sit. So this is the number 5. It has to do with being centered, being connected to the voice of truth. And here's the element of water, representing the emotions and the principle of peace. So being centered brings emotional peace. Having emotional peace centers a person in their life. And that's what's going on here for the body and their ability to prosper. So that's the first level of how this tool is read. So we have a worksheet that allows us to then take these 9 points and work them out here on the bottom in different ways to read this tool on 9 additional levels. So part of those 9 additional levels has to do with lining up these cards where they go on the tool. So there's the doorway of water, the doorway of water, the connection between air and water, the doorway of air, so on and so forth. And that's how these cards are laid out and lined up on this additional way of looking at it. And what it does is gives more depth so that you can see what's the most important element. What was the most important pathway, which is represented by these parallel lines, and so forth. So that's the different ways of using this tool and reading it on multiple levels. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe and check out our additional videos. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below or visit our website at bodyofenergy19.com. Thank you.